Hey guys, today I'm back with another unboxing video. One of my friends, Sean at the Crappy Fire Alarm Facebook page, sent me a box full of fire alarms. Let's open it up. Whoa, looks like a system sensor. I couldn't find the name, but we'll check into that later. Looks like another one of them. They're pretty cool alarms. Oh, looks like a fire alarm control panel transformer. We've been needing one of those for my MS4 panel. Looks like maybe a battery for them. So we'll see you with the demo shortly. Okay, welcome back guys. We're ready for the demonstration, but I'm gonna tell you about all the things that I have on my table. So what's gonna power my two system sensors is my Duracell 12 volt battery. This is the system sensor SR, strobe only. This is the system sensor P2HR, horn strobe. I have the candela set to 150, and on this one the candela set to 115. If you don't know what the candela is, it basically tells you the brightness of the strobe and what you have it at. This is a surge protector. I said it was a battery, but it's not. It's a surge protector. I'm going to be using this in my MS5UD panel I have. And this is a transformer. I'm going to be using this in my MS4 panel that I have. And we don't need to talk about these. So without further ado, let's test it. So that was the test for you. Well, before I end off the video, I want to give a big thanks to all my friends at the Crappy Fire Alarm Facebook page. This is where I got all of this, except the battery. And feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye till next time.